Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Treasure Bay Estates is a brand new gated community in Great Bay, Treasure Beach. This development features 132 residential lots, each approximately quarter acre in size with ocean and mountain views. Each lot is sold with an approved architectural plan and purchasers are required to complete construction within 5 years of purchase. Features of the development include a clubhouse with a pool, a gym, an on-site management office, hard courts for tennis, pickleball, and other recreational activities, including a children's playground and beautifully landscaped green spaces. Passive income in the form of dividends have been announced by companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Grace Kennedy has declared a dividend of 55 cents per stock unit payable on September 22, 2025 to stockholders on record as at August 29, 2025. Guardian Holdings Limited has declared a dividend of Trinidad and Tobago 22 cents per share payable on September 5, 2025 to shareholders on record as at August 20, 2025. Access Financial Services Limited has advised that the Board of Directors approved the following dividends: 12 cents per share for the quarter ending March 31, 2025 and 10 cents per share for the quarter ending June 30, 2025. The dividends will be payable on August 29, 2025 to all ordinary shareholders on record. As earnings seasons continues, two notable companies have announced results. Supreme Ventures Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ending June 30, 2025 reports 6 months net profit attributable to shareholders of 1.3 billion Jamaican dollars. Access Financial Limited audited financials for the year ending March 31, 2025 reports a 48% increase in year-end net profit. For the trading period ending August 4, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 4,641,484 units trading, representing 24.64% of market sales volume. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited Manufacturing and Distribution with 3,709,913 units traded, representing 19.70% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 2,028,135 units traded, representing 10.77% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On August 4, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $63.08 million purchased and US $74.67 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.05 per dollar, selling the US at $161.16 and buying the US at $159.11. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $6.43 per transaction, with selling at $117.17 and buying at $110.74. The British pound yielded Forex traders $4.95 in profits, with selling at $213.68 and buying at $208.73. For our credit report tip of the day, rebuilding credit isn't glamorous and it's rarely fast, but it's one of the most strategic, empowering, and financially freeing decisions you can make. It takes courage to face your numbers, consistently to stay the course, and vision to keep going when results feel invisible. Whether you're recovering from a setback or simply refining your financial profile, the process pays off in powerful ways. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.